In the vast, sun-drenched landscapes of Australia, where ancient Earth meets cutting-edge innovation, lies a hidden world of meticulous engineering. A world where nature's jewels are transformed, not by magic, but by an intricate dance of human ingenuity and advanced machinery. For centuries, the pomegranate, a fruit steeped in myth and history, has captivated humanity with its vibrant ruby arils, each a tiny burst of flavor and vitality. But beneath its tough, leathery skin lies a challenge that has baffled processors for generations: how to unlock its treasure without crushing its delicate essence. Imagine stepping through the doors of a facility where the air hums with a quiet purpose, a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. This isn't just a factory, it's a sanctuary of precision, a testament to the relentless pursuit of perfection. Here, the raw, untamed beauty of the pomegranate is met with a symphony of sensors, water jets, and gentle automation, all designed to preserve its inherent goodness. We are about to pull back the curtain on a process so refined, so specialized, that it redefines our understanding of food production. This journey will take us deep into the heart of an Australian factory, a place where the vibrant red fruit arrives by the ton, each one a promise of deliciousness. You'll witness the intricate ballet of technology and technique required to navigate the pomegranate's complex anatomy, its tough rind, its bitter membranes, and its hundreds of jewel-like arils. It's a delicate operation, one that demands an almost surgical precision to separate the edible from the inedible, to deliver the pure, unadulterated essence of the fruit to your table. Prepare to uncover the hidden world behind one of nature's most enigmatic products, a world where every single aril is a testament to the power of modern processing. The pomegranate, a fruit often revered as a symbol of prosperity, fertility, and health across countless cultures, holds a fascinating story that stretches back millennia. Its origins are traced to the region of modern-day Iran, from where it journeyed across ancient trade routes, captivating civilizations from the Mediterranean to Asia. Did you know that archaeological evidence suggests pomegranates were cultivated as early as 400 BC? They were found in the tombs of ancient Egyptians, revered not just for their taste but for their perceived medicinal properties and symbolic significance in the afterlife. Imagine a fruit so enduring, so valued, that it accompanied pharaohs into eternity. Beyond its ancient roots, the pomegranate presents a unique biological puzzle. Each fruit can contain anywhere from 200 to over 1,400 arils, those juicy, seed-encased sacs that are the true prize. The sheer number and delicate nature of these arils are what make processing such a monumental task. Unlike an apple or an orange, which can be easily peeled or segmented, the pomegranate guards its treasures within a labyrinth of bitter, inedible membranes. This intricate internal structure is a natural defense mechanism, but for processors, it's the ultimate engineering challenge. How do you extract hundreds of tiny, fragile jewels without damaging them or contaminating them with the bitter pith? Consider the sheer global scale of this fruit's appeal. While Australia might be a newer player in large-scale pomegranate cultivation, countries like India, Iran, Turkey, and the United States have long-standing traditions. The demand for pomegranates, particularly for their juice and arils, has surged in recent decades, driven by growing awareness of their health benefits. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, earning them the moniker Superfruit. This increased demand, however, puts immense pressure on processing facilities to develop methods that are not only efficient but also preserve the nutritional integrity and delicate flavor profile of the fruit. Historically, extracting pomegranate arils was a labor-intensive, often messy, and time-consuming process, typically done by hand. Families would gather, scoring the fruit, submerging it in water, and then painstakingly separating the arils from the pith and peel. This method, while charmingly traditional, is simply not feasible for commercial production. The advent of modern processing technologies has revolutionized this, but the core challenge remains: mimicking the gentle touch of human hands on an industrial scale. This is where the true genius of a modern pomegranate factory comes into play. One of the most surprising facts about pomegranates is their incredible versatility. While most commonly enjoyed fresh or as juice, their arils are used in everything from salads and desserts to savory dishes and cocktails. This broad culinary application further emphasizes the need for pristine, undamaged arils. A bruised aril not only looks unappealing but can also release unwanted bitterness, compromising the entire dish. The factory's goal isn't just separation, it's about delivering perfection every single time. Think about the engineering marvel required to differentiate between a perfectly ripe aril and a piece of bitter membrane. The color, density, and even the subtle textural differences are critical. Early attempts at mechanical processing often resulted in a high percentage of damaged arils or contamination from the pith, leading to significant waste and an inferior product. It took decades of research and development, combining principles of fluid dynamics, optics, and gentle mechanical agitation, to reach the sophisticated systems we see today. The global pomegranate market is a testament to this fruit's enduring allure. From its ancient origins as a medicinal fruit to its modern status as a superfruit, its journey is remarkable. And within that journey, the story of its processing is perhaps the most compelling. It's a narrative of overcoming nature's intricate design with human ingenuity, turning a seemingly impossible task into a seamless, high-volume operation. The next time you enjoy a handful of pomegranate arils, consider the hidden world of precision and dedication that brought them to you, a world where every ruby gem is a triumph of modern engineering. The journey of a pomegranate from orchard to consumer begins long before it reaches the factory gates. In Australia, pomegranates are typically harvested when they reach optimal ripeness, indicated by their deep red color and a slight softening of the rind. Farmers meticulously pick the fruit, often by hand, to prevent bruising, as any damage can compromise the arils inside. Once harvested, the pomegranates are carefully packed into crates and transported, usually by refrigerated trucks, to the processing facility. Upon arrival at the modern Australian pomegranate factory, the raw materials, thousands of perfectly ripe pomegranates, undergo an initial inspection. This critical first step involves visual checks to identify and remove any fruits that are bruised, diseased, or show signs of spoilage. Quality control technicians also perform random sampling to assess ripeness, sugar content, and overall integrity. Only the finest fruits are allowed to proceed, ensuring the highest quality end product. The manufacturing sequence begins with a gentle pre-wash. The pomegranates are conveyed through a series of water baths, often using a mild sanitizing solution to remove surface dirt, dust, and any residual agricultural debris. This step is crucial for hygiene and prepares the fruit for the delicate aril extraction process. Next comes the scoring and cutting phase. Unlike manual methods, this factory employs automated machinery designed for precision. Pomegranates are fed into specialized machines that use rotating blades or water jets to score the rind without penetrating too deeply into the arils. Some advanced systems even use optical sensors to determine the optimal cutting depth based on the fruit size and shape. The fruit is then gently cut into halves or quarters, exposing the internal structure while minimizing damage to the arils. The heart of the processing lies in the aril separation. This is where the factory's engineering brilliance truly shines. The cut pomegranate pieces are typically submerged in large tanks of water. The principle here leverages the different densities of the fruit components. The arils, being denser, sink to the bottom, while the lighter pith, membranes, and rind float to the surface. Gentle agitation, often created by circulating water or specialized paddles, helps to dislodge the arils from the membranes. This water-based separation is incredibly effective because it cushions the delicate arils, preventing bruising and crushing. As the arils sink, the floating pith and rind are skimmed off the surface and conveyed away for disposal or further processing, e.g., for rind extracts, though this is less common for aril production. The separated arils, now at the bottom of the tank, are then gently pumped or conveyed out of the water bath. Following separation, the arils undergo a rigorous cleaning and sorting process. They are passed over vibrating screens or through water flumes to remove any remaining small pieces of membrane or pith that may have escaped the initial separation. High-tech optical sorters then come into play. These sophisticated machines use cameras and advanced image processing algorithms to scan each individual aril. They can detect subtle imperfections, discolored arils, or any remaining foreign material, ejecting them with precise bursts of air. This ensures that only perfectly formed, vibrant arils make it to the next stage. After sorting, the arils are often subjected to a final rinse and then gently dried, typically using air blowers or low-heat tunnels to remove excess surface moisture. This drying step is crucial for preventing microbial growth and maintaining the aril's freshness and texture. Finally, the pristine pomegranate arils are ready for packaging. Automation plays a significant role here, with robotic systems or conveyor belts guiding the arils into preformed containers, pouches, or cups. Precision weighing systems ensure accurate portioning. The packaging is then sealed, often under modified atmosphere conditions, to extend shelf life and preserve freshness. Safety is paramount throughout this entire process, with strict adherence to food safety regulations, including HACCP protocols, regular sanitation of equipment, and controlled environmental conditions to prevent contamination. The packaged arils are then moved to cold storage, awaiting distribution and logistics to reach supermarkets and consumers, often within hours or days of processing. And there you have it, the intricate, fascinating journey of the pomegranate, transformed from a challenging fruit into those perfect, ruby-red arils you enjoy. It's a testament to how human ingenuity, combined with cutting-edge technology, can unlock nature's most guarded treasures. The precision, the automation, the sheer dedication to quality at every single step. It's truly remarkable, isn't it? Who would have thought that extracting tiny seeds could be such a complex and beautiful industrial ballet? If you were as captivated by this hidden world as we were, imagine what other secrets lie within the factories that produce our everyday essentials. The world of manufacturing is brimming with untold stories of innovation and meticulous processes. What other industrial marvels are you curious about? Perhaps the transformation of a simple grain into a complex breakfast cereal, or the incredible journey of sand becoming the glass in your windows. The world of manufacturing is vast and full of surprises. Don't miss out on our next deep dive into the heart of another incredible factory. Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when our next video drops. And speaking of our next video, it's already waiting for you. click on the video that just appeared on your screen to uncover the secrets of high-tech oat milk factory in Sydney. Before you go, tell us in the comments below, what was the most surprising or mind-blowing detail you learned about pomegranate processing today? We love hearing your thoughts.